Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fusion rear brake pads. First, let's gather all the necessary tools and parts to ensure a smooth process. You'll need a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a caliper compression tool. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and wearing gloves and eye protection. Having everything ready beforehand saves time and makes the job much easier. Now that you have your tools, let's prepare the vehicle. Safely lift the rear of your Ford Fusion using a hydraulic jack, then immediately place jack stands under the frame for support. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Next, remove the lug nuts and take off the rear wheel, setting it aside. This gives you clear access to the brake caliper and pads. With the wheel off, you can now remove the old brake components. First, locate and remove the two bolts holding the caliper to the bracket. These are typically on the backside. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it securely using a bungee cord or wire. Never let it hang by the brake line. Then, simply pull out the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing the new pads, you must compress the caliper piston. Use a caliper compression tool to push the piston back into its housing, creating space for the thicker new pads. Install the new pads into the bracket, ensuring they fit correctly. Reattach the caliper, tighten the guide pin bolts to the specified torque, and reinstall the wheel. Finally, pump the brake pedal several times before driving to seat the pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.